Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. First up this evening, Jamaicans are being warned to brace for an increase in food prices in the coming months. The warning comes from Chief Executive Officer of the separate group, Richard Pandohi. Speaking with our news center today, Mr. Pandohi, who is the head of one of the largest food distribution companies in the country, warned that food prices will skyrocket as the conflict in the Middle East enters its fifth week. The war by the USA and Israel on Iran has triggered a surge in world oil prices,
which has begun increasing transportation costs, electricity and production costs. In terms of food security, this translates into higher prices for both imported and locally produced food. Imported goods are becoming more expensive due to shipping costs, higher input costs for packaging, and those type of things. For local food production, local farmers are going to face higher input costs for fertilizers, animal feed and transportation. I don't expect any issue with the availability of food. The challenge will be the affordability. The overall economic effect, if the conflict continues, will be increased economic headwind with high inflation, pressure on household spending, and pressure on businesses to maintain margins. This conflict is extremely unfortunate, but it couldn't have come at a worse time for Jamaica. We'll now have had two major external shocks in 6 months, Hurricane Melissa and now this. So overall, headwinds ahead, tough times, but we'll hopefully be resilient as we have always done and get through this.